The city of Voronezh, a country unique specimen of heavy machine engineering, has been produced in Voronezh, the very center of the European part of Russia, in the cradle of the first dockyard of Peter I, dating back to 1953. This sheet metal stamping press was first manufactured by a new promising plant, the plant for production of heavy mechanical presses. "60 years of history, 60 years of victories and discoveries, from the rise to the incredible achievements. For all those decades, joint stock company Tjazhmekhpress has been making more and more new, more advanced machines. Based on the experience of the previous generations, they have been conquering the world by their scale, their power, and their opportunities. And so they have."
Мы сейчас вышли на первое место в мире, и не то, что на первое место.
Concerning our first and even unique place in the world among the plants making the heaviest presses now. Spain, France, Germany, Italy, China, India, Brazil, United States, Belarus. This list is not exhaustive. Right now, hundreds and thousands of presses from Voronezh are working all over the world. And right now, hundreds of details are being forged in the smithies in all the continents, for decades, non-stop. Tjazhmekpress production is located in the Quiet province just outside Paris. A worldwide famous car engine detail producer for Audi, Volkswagen and Mercedes. Joint stock company Tjazhmekhpress machinery works here too. Today we have 6 items of machinery from TMP at our disposal. We're expecting the delivery of the 7th press of 8,000 tonnage, thus allowing us to enter the competition with the best crankshaft kits producers in the world. The giants, weighing hundreds of tons, work wonders. Everything is worked out to the minor details, so that it seems incredible. It seems magical when a red-hot metal piece turns into indispensable detail within seconds. But it is no magic. It is science technology, designed in Voronezh plant of heavy presses.
Well, the first time when I saw a TMP press, it was here in Voronezh. And I was very, very much impressed of the size of the press. It was a 12,000-ton unit. It was so huge, I've never seen this before. Later on, I visited some customers in France.
Best suppliers in the world today work with JSC Tjazhmekhpress. For them, TMP is a new development and innovation horizon. It means exclusive technological solutions and leadership in the problem-solving of the future. There are 2 fields for cooperation for us. They are the development of presses with best characteristics, fluid-actuated clutch brake component application, following the example of other manufacturers in the world. We see that we can attract the already used, and on the other hand we see that we can bring uniqueness to your machine, allowing TMP press to be number 1 in its field and unique among the technological presses it can perform.
I'm every time in Ford shops, so I travel around the world and see a lot of Ford shops. So I saw different kind of presses, but after in the final last couple of years, so there was a big development from TMP. They become very high sophisticated with their automation.
A picturesque Spanish town of Bilbao, the industrial heart of the country. In 1997, Matrisi realized the need to work with complicated metal forming, which we use to make sidebars of the cars. We chose TMP machinery because it is very powerful, reliable and convenient in work. It has a wide gap to work with stamping tools, which was the major criterion of choice. A lot of our clients, when they meet us, because we start with creating all the manufacturing cycle from scratch, together with the clients. We are a strategic partner for all our clients. Thus, a unique technological complex in Belarusia has become the first co-project in the field in its manufacturing automation level.
Это просто уникальный проект, потому что таких проектов в России и в
It is a unique project. There have been no such projects in Russia or CIS before. With such a big number of robots, and when it is not a smallish press, but huge presses, which are considered the biggest in the world. Opening the veil of secrecy, the plant Tjazhmekhpress today presents the first press in the world at the tonnage of 16,500 tons. Unbelievable! This specimen for the customer company will be delivered in several train set of cars and ocean truck trailers. Now is the time of its first start. It is an unspeakable thrill when the press is tested. To assemble this press, we have produced and designed a lot of mounting, a huge number of people. I can say that all engineers have taken part in some way, and there are more than 100. Ahead, we have meticulous work, designing, developing, constructing, creating unparalleled machinery. And now a new height is cleared.